Alright, what's going on, everybody? Today is Saturday. It's gonna rain at some point today, and it's like almost 40 degrees, so I'm gonna do a little work on a Jeep mod, and that is working on the new front bumper. I'm actually kind of a fan of the look of the Jeep J8 that's available over in Europe and the Middle East, so I'm gonna be turning the stock bumper into a J8 bumper, and going to be hiding the winch mount behind the bumper, mounting the Fairlead and the shackles and everything. So quick little picture to see what it looks like. Alright, and that's the look I'm going for, and I got a bunch of the parts, and actually an official J8 bumper that I acquired last year. And alright, here we go. Alright, there's the J8 bumper. Alright, so here's the bumper. Basically what it's going to look like when it's mounted on the front of the Jeep. That'll be shackles on each side, and then this Fairlead is going to be there. So basically what I have to do is mock up, find the center, mock it up, drill the two mounting holes, and then cut out the center hole. And then once that's all done, then it's basically slap it on there, make sure it fits, everything's good to go, and then take it off the powder coat and get it color matched. Alright, so I'm going to measure total length, find where the center is. So it's 57.5 long, so 26 3/4 is our center point. The center line. So we mark our center in the middle, so it's about 5.5 inches. So we're 2 3/4. So we can draw a line down, add another mark down here. Alright, so now we got to find out two mounting holes, find out the distance. So I'm going to measure the overall length of this guy, which is 12 3/8. We're going to go 6 3/16. Center. So 6 3/16 on the back is our center, so we're going to use the T-square, bring that line down so I know where it is. Not really worried about writing on this stuff because it's all going to get powder coated. So my center lines, like so. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw these two lines out, get my center points on these guys, line them up, and then I'll be able to mark the two holes. Alright, so I got my handy dandy drywall T-square, and I'm just going to carry the line through. So back on this guy, it is 3 1/4 inch and 5/8 is going to be our center point. So there. just carry those lines to the end. And being that hopefully I did it right, it should bisect the mounting holes. Alright, so I'm going to carry the line onto the other side, onto the outside edge. Just mark that so I can line it up. Like so. So that's there. I'll do the same here. Alright, now I got that. So I should now be able to line up all 4 spots. There. Alright, so got all the spots lined up. You can see there, that line, and then whoop, that line over there. So now I know where to drill through for my mountain holes, and then I'm going to just draw the Fairlead opening, so that way I know where to cut out, and then we'll start cutting and drilling. Alright, so it's all ready. So I'm going to drill that hole, so that'll be for the mounting bolts for the Fairlead. This is going to be the opening, so I'm actually going to have to cut this a little wider, so that way it actually sits a little bit here on the back. That way there's no chance of the winch line snagging on the metal of the front bumper. So I plan on running a synthetic line, so definitely want to make sure there's nothing there for it to catch onto. Alright, let's start drilling. Alright, so this is my 8th step bit I probably have. All the other ones I keep snapping and breaking and keep going dull, so hopefully this one can drill these 2 little holes. Try and finish up real quick. Alright, so just gotta break this out and then clean it up. Alright, it's starting to pour, so alright. Just real quick, because I gotta start packing all my stuff up. And it's all wet. So I still gotta grind it out a little better than I did. But you can see, hole, center. Look at that. Now I got a Fairlead on front of a J8 bumper that's gonna go on my Jeep JKU. It's really starting to pour. and I gotta get my stuff in the shed, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Supposedly it's gonna rain all day tomorrow and into Monday. Hopefully Monday afternoon or Tuesday I'm gonna finish up on the bumper and test fit it. I also have some light mount brackets coming, so I gotta mount those and weld them into place. So I'm gonna try and do that maybe Monday afternoon or Tuesday. Get this all buttoned up, take it off, and then send it out to be color match powder coated. So, alright, thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe below, follow along. Hopefully this weather starts turning, gets a little warmer, and then I can start working on the trailer again, which is still behind me, all tarped up. Alright, thanks, enjoy the weekend. Why does it always seem to rain when I have off? I don't get it. Alright. Later.